guys. Okay, so hi mom.
Hey.
Okay, so I don't. Is this?
Go ahead.
I feel like it's too dark.
No, it's fine.
Well, so basically, I just got a new phone and I'm going to do a little unboxing video. So here it is. My mom's going to cut it open because she's too protective. She doesn't want me to use a knife. So. Get it! No, move,
no.
cat! My cat, I'm sorry, my cat is in the way.
Get. Alright, there we
Okay.
go. Hold on.
Okay, let's go.
Hold on, get these sides.
Alright.
Alright. You got it. Go ahead and do the
I-
rest.
Okay, so
Has its own charger and stuff too, baby.
this is going to be it, and yeah. So, whoa. Okay, Mom, I need more knife action in here. Wait, never mind, I got it. I got it.
So,
Okay, so,
bleach.
huh?
Keep digging. Keep
Look at
digging.
the balloons.
You might have got the gold one like me.
You got a gold one? Oh.
Maybe. I'm gonna
Okay,
keep
so-
this stuff right here.
It is a Cricket phone, only because
That's the only network
yes,
we'll
I
go
think that iPhones and stuff are cool, but me personally, I would rather get a Cricket phone or something that's cheaper because it works just as well as an iPhone or
by.
something.
Because you keep reception good
Yeah,
with Cricket. Good reception.
and it doesn't cost that much monthly.
And we're gonna send your
Oh.
old phone in this.
Okay. Okay, and I'm not just like. Oh, there's a pair of scissors.
What you got? Oh. Okay, I want to put this box over here.
Okay.
Those are sharp. Here.
I got
There
it.
you go.
Okay. So
Hopefully you got the gold one.
hopefully.
Same one I got.
How do I
Yes.
do this?
Please.
Mother, calm down, woman. I'm sorry, my mother's very happy because I have been having to use her old one. Oh, well, okay, I got it. Okay, I got this.
Cuts of this.
No.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Okay, so I should have recorded.
Oh.
There it is. Looks so cool. So, wait, no, that's not what you did. Okay, so then you. Oh, I got Cricket cards.
Yep. No, that is your thing that goes. Don't take this out. Don't take none of this out.
Why
This
not?
is what you have to put in your phone when your dad gets home.
I know how to put in the battery and stuff.
Yeah,
I know
but-
how to put my stuff together. I know how they do it.
Okay, come on.
I'm not a baby.
God, honey, please let me help you. Okay?
I know.
But I want to go over here on the couch. Come
Okay, go
on.
ahead. I'm making a video.
But come on, bring it with you. We can do it over here.
Hang on. Let me just take it out. So, this is it. Right now, it doesn't have a back on it. Where's the back at?
It's over here.
Okay. I'm probably going to leave the screen protector on it.
I
For the
will
while.
for the first while.
Yeah. So, let's go to the couch.
See.
Okay, I'm sorry, we do not have the very best lighting in the world. So, it comes
see
with
your
this little
phone?
case.
See your phone. You got my
Oh,
phone
left it over
here.
there.
Will you shut that back
So-
door for me, please?
Yeah.
So this is coming
Okay.
completely out of the apartment.
So, there's the charger, the box, the phone, of course, the back. I think I already said card with card.
Yeah.
And yeah. Oh, and the battery. And I'm going to use this.
No. That's got the card in it. Hold on.
Goodness gracious,
I know,
Mom.
but you can't lose it because it's small. Let me get this open.
So, what did I do with the phone?
Right here, I got it.
Okay. What are you trying to open?
Okay, so you want to keep this on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Good deal.
Let me see it.
Go tell your brother, let me see his phone.
I know how to do it, trust me. I know what the phone's. Where's it at? Okay. That is a lot tinier than I expected. That's really tiny. That's what it's like my head.
So don't go in like that, don't force it.
I don't want to put it in backwards.
Don't
Oh,
say,
my head upside down.
even it up with the thingy. That's what you're supposed to do with it. Okay, perfect.
And then the battery. Take the battery.
Wait a minute. Make sure you got it lined up right.
Put it in. Ugh. Put it in like this. Take the back. The back on
Don't forget, we gotta keep this stuff just in case. Okay?
Okay. And let's see if it comes on. It's coming on.
Here, put that tape back up there, because you said you want to keep that screen deterrent, because that's good. Because it'll come off. You aren't going to keep it on it?
No.
Okay. Wait a minute, you can just take this tape off.
That's the song.
Hold on, baby. Here. You want this screen protector off?
No.
Right here?
No.
Okay, here you go. Just be easy with it. How much is it charged?
25%.
Okay. We need to let it charge for a little while, okay? Okie dokie.
Okay. Skip off our piece.
Hey, we gotta say hokey dokey for our show.
Hang on.
See, Daddy don't
Do you
know
know
that. I can
Wi-Fi
set up
passwords?
some stuff. Taylor does.
I'll be right back.
Now,
Yep.
yours is really long.
Yep.
Dang, look at that.
So, hang on.
Put your phone instead of so you can see it. According to the road. Let's see how long the cord is. Pretty cool, huh? Can you put the Wi-Fi password in? Do you know it?
Maybe. Maybe.
I think he's
Maybe
serious,
I do.
Dakota.
Maybe I don't.
I think he's actually serious.
So, what? So far, the phone has come on. It's very good quality, as I showed you. But I'm going to use that box.
Yeah.
Not filled with trash or anything.
I know.
Yeah, I don't know the password, sorry. I'm
It's
sorry.
alright.
You're fine.
I don't know it either, honey. I'm sorry. Then we'll just have to get back to him when everything gets hooked up. No. Yeah, no.
Let me go check if it's on the router. So all that's really left to do is to finish signing in. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, because why not? I make new videos every single week. Bye.